How digestive system and immunity are linked. Hello kids, welcome to another episode of Exercise Daily channel. Do you all know that your tummy's superheroes kill the germs in the same way as your superheroes beat up those bad guys out there? We learned that our gut protects our body from germs like bacteria to keep us safe and immune from various illnesses. But what exactly immunity means, and why is it linked with your digestion system? So, let's find out. Immunity or immune system is like your favorite superhero. It protects your body from germs in your body to keep you safe and healthy. About 70% of your immune system is housed in your gut, which means whatever you eat has a direct impact on your health. For example, if you eat a lot of junk food and candies, it will cause a problem in digestion, and ultimately your immune system will slow down. No one wants to get sick, so how can you boost your immunity using your gut? Here are some do's and don'ts you must follow if you want to be healthy and powerful like your favorite superheroes. Do's. Eat organic natural food. Drink plenty of water and fresh juices. Eat vegetables, fruits, and salads daily. Eat sweets alternatives like dates, raisins, dried figs, etc. Have 4 to 6 small meals a day. Don'ts. Avoid all food that contains preservatives and artificial flavors. Avoid eating processed food. Do not eat too much meat. Avoid fried foods, fries, or junk food. Do not eat too many sweets. Avoid drinking sodas. If you stick to all these do's and don'ts, then we are sure your body will become strong and healthy like your favorite superheroes and will kill all those germs. So, this was all about your immune system and gut. To watch more interesting videos like this, stay connected with us or visit exercisedaily.com.